The John F. Kennedy Eternal Flame is a presidential memorial at the gravesite of John F. Kennedy, 35th President of the United States, in Arlington National Cemetery in Virginia. This permanent site replaced a temporary grave and eternal flame used at the time of President Kennedy's state funeral on November 25, 1963, 3 days after his assassination. The site was designed by architect John Carl Warnecke, a longtime friend of the president. The permanent John F. Kennedy Eternal Flame grave site was consecrated and opened to the public on March 15, 1967. President Kennedy was assassinated on November 22, 1963 in Dallas, Texas, while there on a campaign trip. His body was brought back to Washington, D.C. soon after his death. Dignitaries from 92 countries attended his state funeral 3 days later, on November 25. Initial press reports indicated that President Kennedy would be buried at Holyhood Cemetery in Brookline, Massachusetts, where his son Patrick Bouvier Kennedy was buried. But the site for the president's grave was quickly changed to the hillside just below Arlington House in Arlington National Cemetery. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.